Greetings everyone friends, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to tell you how you can join free startups with Gate.io and earn airdrops like $2, $3, $7 a day. There will be an advantage like this, you will not have any expenses. So I'm going to tell you how you can participate in these airdrops without any cost, including all the things I've explained in this video. It doesn't earn a lot per day, but since a new airdrop comes every day, it brings something sweet when we look at such a total. Let's move on to our video without wasting time. Friends, I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on montecrypto.com, YouTube. You can subscribe to the channel not to miss such opportunities. Our topic today, friends, is Gate.io's startups. I'll explain step by step. First of all, let me say that this is not a collaboration video. This is not a sponsored video. Gate.io presented a campaign for our community. And I wanted to create a content about this campaign because 100 people will be given VIP2 level without any cost. In the face of this device given to the community, I wanted to make a video of this campaign. There is no collaboration, I say this with open heart. Now Gate.io is one of the exchanges that I already share from time to time. I share their activities. And especially those who follow me know, I was participating with Gate.io. Look, here we are, there are startups. These startups come every day, sometimes one, sometimes 2 or 3 startups a day. And we click, for example, there is a project called Bitcoin Virtual Machine, BVM. You buy from here, you buy every day. When you look back, there are 2 or 3 coins a day that wash the market. Sometimes these are projects listed on Gate.io. These projects come out in Gate.io startup. Sometimes there are very good projects in between. For example, you didn't see the pixel just now. Some projects will earn a little, maybe $1 or $2. Some projects will make $10 or $15, it depends. When we average it out, VIP2 will probably get $2, $3, $4 prizes. But as I said, it's free. Let me explain the details of the campaign first. This is a special event for our community. You need to register with our referral link. You must have completed the identity verification and you have to deposit 100 Tether into your account. Look, we will deposit 100 Tether, but we don't have to pay for it. It's on a first come, first served basis and limited to the first 100 people. Now, let's share this. It's been about a week. But let me tell you, I asked, they said, unfortunately, we can't view it before the campaign ends. So this first 100 people may or may not be full. There is no clear situation about this. But many of you have already participated. Those who did not participate can still try their luck. But at least you will learn what to do if they do. Or you will learn what Gate.io's VIP is. As I mentioned before, you need to register with my referral link. You need to register with Gate.io MK Crypto. There is a link to it in the video description here. You can send it here. So, is this VIP TSI something advantageous? You're giving it to us for free, but is it good for us? You may say, what condition are you offering it to me for free? Of course we say it's free, but we don't spend money. We need to invest 100 Tetra. We need to transfer 100 Tetra to Gate.io. Now normally to become a VIP2, you need a volume of $120,000. Or you need to have 300 GT in your account. Or you need to keep $4,000 in your account to become VP2. But what have we done specially for our society, friends? You only deposit 100 Tetra. You just send it through my link and deposit 100 Tetra. And frankly, when there are opportunities that will benefit the community, I run on this issue, I like it. There are also extra prizes. Friends, you can see the extra rewards here on our Telegram page. There are rewards starting from $5 in futures and up to $60 at easy levels. At least not impossible levels. We signed up for Gate.io through your referral link. We deposited $100. We deposited $100 from the deposit section on YouTube. If you type this, if you type Monte Crypto, how to use Gate.io, my video already comes out. You can find it from there. So far, so good. So how do we join? It is necessary to enter and check every day. For example, when I look at it right now, I see the Bitcoin Virtual Machine startup. Come back to the homepage. I'll show you how to get here again. By the way, the video you are watching right now is an award-winning video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to the channel and shares the tweet in the fixed comment earns 600 TL from us. Now friends, we're back again. Look, it says startup listing. These startups used to be terribly famous. Everyone used to follow them very well. Now that the market has recovered, it has turned into a part that has started to attract attention again. Bitcoin Virtual Machine. Look, this is active right now. How much is left? 14 hours left. AGG is in preheat right now, so it's coming in a day and a half. This will come in a day and 15 hours. This one will come in a day and 16 hours. The next one will come in 1 day and 17 hours. Another one will come 3 days later. So sometimes there are 3 or 4 a day. Let's click and show it while we have one here. On this page, on the page you will see now, friends are actually introducing the project. Who is the founder of the project? Startup months in the beginning, supply 10,000 units, etc. You can see many things about the project here. You can see Toknomi and so on here, friends. Well, how do we join Hoja? Look at it like this. You click here. It's free of charge. I've read it. I accept it. Now you say request it. It registers successfully. Then, my friends, when this project is listed, it is usually listed within 2 to 3 days. Let's see if we can see the listing date. There is no listing date. It's usually listed in a couple days, guys. Then he goes and throws this money in your spot account. Now another issue is, well, is he VIP now, sir? How can I follow him? By the way, even if you become a new member and register VIP from scratch, there is something like this. In other words, you are a new member, you benefited from the Quantum campaign, but since it was not yet in process, VIP 2 of you could not be defined, or 100 people were full and you could not benefit again. You can still come here and sign up for all of them for free. But then, not all of them are available, but some of them are. Again, you can earn $5, $10, $2, $3 for free, friends. This is from Gates Startup. There is something like this in our campaign, friends. 2 weeks after the campaign is completed, startups will be defined to you. So our campaign is not completed yet, friends. After it is completed, your VIPs will be distributed in 2 weeks. And when you come to your profile picture there, for example, friends, my VIP level is showing here right now. It will write your VIP here. So you will have a VP twin level. Now the startup part of Gate.io, the initiative part is like this, friends. Especially some friends among you have time and enthusiasm who have just entered the market. But he has no capital. He wants to chase capital. He doesn't want to waste and pull the fishing rod. I think it's a good campaign for those times. VIP twin campaign. As I said, his pool is usually unfilled somehow because there are so many campaigns these days. People can't follow them very intensely. They also sent me a link like this. They said we are also working on regulations. I liked it, frankly, because there will soon be a regulation on crypto. Will this regulation be restrictive? Or will it be inclusive and developmental? There was a meeting about this in Istanbul. This is a good thing, a good development. Now there will be a MiCA in Europe regarding encryption. America is taking steps in this regard. Now it is Turkey's turn. Turkey is also taking steps. Now customer security must be ensured. It is the most correct issue. It is very good that the laws provide this. But there should also be this. Will it limit or improve it? There was a study about that. People from CoinDesk participated. There was a small conference attended by people from Harvard Business Review Turkey. It is good to have this kind of work in Turkey, friends. I hope startups have been understandable. You can ask what you don't understand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.